Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube video. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you know, in the first part of the video, we stopped or showed you how to apply for Anhalt University and how to create and read the requirement on a brief note. And also, we created the Uni-Assist website in Uni-Assist, and also we checked for the Anhalt University of Applied Science course that we are applying. The course that we are applying for electrical and computer engineering specialization autonomous system, and also we clicked on select and applied, put it in our inbox. Today I will show you how to apply and how it will be filled, or mandatory details how you can fill it based on the particular college that you are selected. So now after we put it into inbox, so this is how it looks like for everyone. After, if you are applying for the first time, if you are applied already 1 or 2 colleges, then the third college, it will be from second college, it will be only 30 euros. But every time I show you how to apply in Uni-Assist, I always consider that people who are watching this as a first time. That's the reason I always remove all other application details. Then I will only click one college so that they can see this 75 euro point, because people who are applying for the first time, they have to pay the first application as 75 euros. Then we will go into additional application related questions that we have to mandatory answer. Here at first, educational data we have to give. So we can start from educational data that we can give is the school details that we can start from. School details, as I told you many a time, here you can just give 10+2, which is PUC, or 10+2, and also if you are interested, you can also give 10th or SSLC. I usually give my PUC, which is 10+2, which is 2 years. So that's the period of attendance that I have given, which we have perceived as pre-university college. But in some cities or some states, it will be mentioned as 10+2 12th. So you can also give your 12th standard details, and you have to mention your name and location of the school. I studied in a school MMHS, which is Marimalapa High School, then which is in this city Mysore, and country which will be India. And please fill on the based on your college requirement, or your college or your school that you have done for the 10+2 schooling. The name of the certificate awarded. People who have not known what are the name that they have awarded for 10+2, please check out your 12th marks card. There they will for sure they would have mentioned which degree or which type of schooling certificate that you have done. Please take that name and put it here. And here you are just have to also fill the date of school leaving certificate that when you have got it. So this will be on your marks card when they have issued it, and when they give that the final marks card, that is the date that you have to mention. There will be mention of the school date of school leaving certificate. You can mention that. So here, if you can see, I have only given school 1 as our 10+2 12th. If you are interested, then you can also give information about school 2 here. As I told you, if you want to fill it, then please fill until 10th standard. Okay, so this section you can use it as until 10th section, and here you can fill 10+2 12th or PUC, pre-university college, people who have studied in Karnataka. Then university entrance exam qualification. People who have done university entrance qualification, then they have to click on S, and they have to fill which are the name of the university entrance qualification that they have done, CET or NEET, and you have to mention the university entrance examination date when you have taken it or when you got the results. There are some cases for some countries that they don't have university entrance exam. Then if that's the case, then click on no, and you don't need to fill anything. But most of the people in India would have been taken some sort of university entrance qualification, say example from Karnataka to CET to the national level exam kind of NEET, and also general IIT and other universities entrance examination, which will be our JEE mains and JEE advanced. People, you can mention all those things which you have done as a university entrance examination, and please give your university entrance examination date when you received the admission. Studies outside the Germany. So after your schooling, you did your university entrance qualification. For what you did the university entrance qualification? You did it in order to pursue your bachelor in outside Germany. That is what here you have to mention. Here you just have to mention your bachelor details. People who are applying for bachelor course, then this section won't be there. They will have different kind of section. Once we start playlist for bachelor courses in Germany, then I will show you how to apply. But for, as of now, we are focusing on masters. That's the reason we are showing you here. At first, you have to mention the first university qualification. The period of study will be 7/2016 to 7/2020, which is my 4 years of bachelor degree that I have done. So please mention, and please make sure this is all my dummy data. Please fill in the details that you have got in your marks card. Okay, then name of the country and awarding institution. So my awarding institution would be Vishweshwaraya Technological University. I have just given the keyword, and the country would be India. So people who are applying, please fill in the complete university name and please fill in the country name. And here don't confuse and fill your college name. No, you have to mention your university name. If your college itself a university, then mention it. Otherwise you have to mention your university name. If you're feeling difficulty in finding your university, please check out my H+H- video that I have done for APS certification, where I showed you how to look for your university in Anabin website, it is present or not. Please check for there and check if it is present in Anabin database, then put the same university name here for your particular college where you have studied. Then subject area, which will be electrical engineering, which I have studied, and type of qualification and degree which we have completed is Bachelor of Engineering. Have I successfully completed my degree? Yes, I have successfully completed my degree. If you are still in 7th semester, 6th semester, then you have to click on no. Then you have to give documents in order to prove that you will be finishing in 1 or 2 semester before you start Master of Science, which you are applying for particular course or particular semester. Then secondary university qualification. Most of the time this will be empty for most of the people, but people who have done already 1 master's in India, then want to pursue 2nd master's in Germany, then they can use this section in order to fill their first master's degree that they have already done in India. But most of the time, if you are applying as a newbie who have done only bachelor and has some work experience, then you will have to leave this out, because we have done only 1 university qualification outside Germany, sorry. Then student in college, these things you can click it as no, because this doesn't apply for us. And first student college, if you have done, then please you have to mention. People who have done student college, they will know why they would have done, then please mention those details if you have done student college. Then studies in Germany. So this studies in Germany applies to the people who are studying already here in some of the university for 1st and 2nd semester, say example, and then they want to change any of the courses in Anhalt University now, say example, then they will fill in, yes, I have done it here for this particular course for 1 semester, which will be closely related, it should be closely related, then they can directly jump to this university for 2nd semester. But as of now, we are applying for the 1st semester as newbies. That's the reason I have clicked it no, and I have not filled it anything. So these are the information that we are filling here in our complete educational data or general questions that they have asked, and we have answered all mandatory questions. So no need to worry. Please go through each and every step that I have showed you and fill it carefully, and also please make sure to fill it properly. Don't copy because I have used only dummy data. After that, you have filled all mandatory details. Then you have to support all whatever you have filled by the documents. So then you can click on upload documents. Here you will just upload the documents in order to prove that what are the information that you have given is true, in order to make it complete and concrete. And here the first information I have to mention is, somebody asked, whenever you are applying for here, the PDF should be attested. While uploading, it doesn't need to be attested copy. Here you can upload the normal photocopy of anything, but which the documents you're sending to Uni-Assist, that documents has to be attested. Okay, please make sure you attest and send it. Otherwise they won't consider that as a genuine document. So please make sure you attest it before sending them to Uni-Assist. But while applying or uploading the documents here, that doesn't need to be. You have to upload always the attested document. Here, in order to support that, I have made a PDF which has my bachelor degree certificate with the transcript, and I have also attached secondary school leaving certificate, which is having my 10th and 12th marks card together. Then passport, SOP, then language certificate, don't mention, then CV that we have also put it, and work or internal and any of the work experience that I have filled it. Here, which are the documents that are missing? One thing is APS documents. For everyone it is mandatory, so you have to mention or put the upload a file which is APS. Okay, other than that, there is no other fancy requirements that they have. So these are the documents that they have asked for, and you have filled it. And also I have got contact with some of the guy who have already got some admission in some other college using Uni-Assist, and he missed one certificate or one of the document, and Uni-Assist itself asked them via mail, you have missed this document, please send us. So if you have missed here, no need to worry. Uni-Assist will itself contact you and ask them which are the document that they need extra. So no need to worry if you have missed any of the document. Then after that, you can click on checking all other details once again, and please upload everything, then you can click on choose payment method. Here usually you can apply via credit card, and here in credit card details somebody asks, can I use debit card? I'm not sure. You can also use debit card, I guess, if it is internationally enabled. When I was applying, I used the credit card, so that's the reason I have used it. But after that also I had some friends already here, then they used or applied from here, so that's the reason why it was easy for me. But usually the safest option would be credit card. Then you can click on proceed to checkout, and you can take all mandatory details, then you can click on payment access. But usually I won't apply because I'm not submitting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is what I just wanted to mention you guys for the second part of the application video for Anhalt University. So in the next upcoming video, if you have seen my FAU Erlangen video, at the end of the video I have told you which next requirement analysis video I will be going on or to make. So that requirement video will be released next. And in the meantime, I will also look into my Excel sheet. If any college is open, then as usual I will pause my requirement analysis video and show you how to apply for next upcoming college. Thank you so much for watching until here. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also please comment and support me guys, so that it will boost my energy to make more videos. Thanks so much. See you. Bye bye.